Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Carmi with Unit 3, Lesson 1, Day 2 for Science. And we're still learning about the sky and how it looks different during the day and at night. So let's take a look at our first slide of the day. Sorry, I just have to move this box. Think about the sky during the day. So here's a pretty picture of the sky during the day. Will you see the sun? Will you see it always, sometimes, or never? During the day, the sun is always in the sky, but it may be hidden behind clouds. Will you see the stars other than the sun? Will you see them always, sometimes, or never? We never see the stars other than the sun from this day because the light from the sun is so bright. Will you see the moon? Will you see it always, sometimes, or never? Sometimes you do see the moon during the day. We sometimes see the moon during the day, but not always. And you usually see it at night, unless it's really cloudy, right? Think about the sky during the night. Will you see the sun? Will you see it always, sometimes, or never? The sun is never in the sky at night. Sometimes you can see the sunlight when the sun will soon be rising, or the sun has just set, so look at that. Will you see the stars other than the sun? Will you see them always, sometimes, or never? We sometimes see the stars other than the sun at night. The stars are always there, but they may be hidden behind clouds. Light from the earth or the moon may make it hard to see the stars. Will you see the moon? Will you see it always, sometimes, or never? We sometimes see the moon at night. We may see parts of it, all of it, or some of it. Let's talk. Use your notes. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a look at your notes, your sky picture. So what you're going to do is when we get off of Zoom, you're going to, it says cut out the pictures. Now you guys don't have the pictures. So what you can do is you can either look at a magazine or a newspaper or on the computer and print out pictures, or you can draw pictures with your crayons. So what you're going to do is you're going to put pictures of the sky during the day right here and pictures of the sky at night right here. And remember, you can cut pictures out of a magazine or a newspaper or from the computer, or you can just draw them with your crayons or colored pencils or markers, whatever you have at home. You're going to do that when you get off of this video lesson though. Which sky objects can you see only during the day? The sun can only be seen during the day. Which sky objects can you see only at night? Other stars can only be seen at night. Which sky objects might you see during the day and night? The moon can be seen in the sky at night and during the day. All right, now let's take a look at the text for today that we're going to read. I'm going to read it to you. It says day and night. What can you see in the sky during the day? Can you see the same things at night? At night, we may see stars. Sometimes we see the moon, but we do not see the sun. During the day, we see the sun, but not any other stars. Sometimes we see the moon. The sky is light during the day. It is light because the sun shines on earth. At night, the sky is dark. It is dark because the sun is not in the sky. We see different things in the day and night skies. It is light during the day. It is dark at night. All right. You have to do actually 2 pages in your science journals today. So you're going to do this one where you draw the difference between the day and the night, and then you're going to go ahead and do the next page too. And this one's really easy. All you have to do for this one is circle what you see during the day and night. So what do you see during the day and night sky? Circle the symbols. So you know for the first one in the day, do you see the sun during the day? Yes, of course you would circle it, right? Do you see the sun at night? No way. So you're not going to circle that. All right, how about the next one? Do you see the moon during the day? Sometimes you do see the moon during the day, so you would circle it. Do you see the moon at night? Sometimes, yeah, so you're going to circle that. All right. How about the last one? Oops, I have to clear this. Sorry. So then, you're going to decide if you see the stars during the day. Do you see the stars during the day? No, you never see the stars during the day, but you do see them at night. So now you should have done this workbook page, and then you're going to do the one before it with drawing the difference in the sky between the day and the night. All right, make sure you send pictures of this to your teachers, okay, so that you can get credit for your work. All right, bye, boys and girls. I enjoyed teaching science with you today. I will see you again tomorrow.